In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit and approve teacher loads for timetables. Alright, so if you're following from the previous video, I finished doing my teacher loads. Now they are 10 out of 10. And if you're following through, you also found out that it is very easy, right? So once I'm done, one thing is you can actually edit. Let's say a teacher has changed something, you can just click here, submission target, right? And just go to the name. Let me, for example, Rudoma Suko here. If it was 3 periods, you can just edit here, maybe to 2. And if they're now available on Thursday, period 6, you can just edit that and submit. Right, so this is how you edit the laws that you have already put. It's just a matter of clicking this drop down menu here and then just edit and then submit. You see, so that's how you edit loads. But once you're done, you go to step number 3, checking progress, right? So 1, you make sure that you're now at 10 out of 10, 20 out of 20, 40 out of 40 here as you were tracking, and then you need to approve them if you are ready. So I simply just click on approve. I just have to make sure that this is the information that is there, right? So I'm just approving here. So if you're just satisfied with all the information, it's just a matter of clicking approve. But I'm sure by the time you watch this video, we'll probably add a approve all button here so that you don't have to go all the way down approving one by one there. So probably edit here. And then where you're seeing here not present on the roster yet but counted as a received teacher load, this part, right, is from here, school setup, right? So for example, if you watch the first video, we just added here the number of teachers that are going to submit their loads here, or the ones that we're going to enter loads for. But here where it says optional staff list, right, you can actually add teacher names here, right? Teacher name, email is optional, and there are forms, right? So that's in case you want to track specifically. So let me say, for example, which name did I have here? Let's say, for example, here Mrs. Rudoma Suko here. If I had entered Mrs. Rudoma Suko here, left out her email, she teaches Form 1 to Form 4. So Form 1, Form 2, Form 3, and Form 4. Right, so I've added her into the roster, meaning that I am tracking her specifically, right? So I've just saved that. If I was here, you see that Mrs. Rudoma Suko here no longer has this. So if she had not given me her load, or if I had not entered her load here, I will know specifically that Mrs. Masuko has not given me her load. But in this case, because these names were not in the roster, I'll just know that there are 3 teachers maybe missing that haven't entered their loads, but I wouldn't know who it is. But if I add them to the roster here, I can specifically then know that it is Mrs. Rudoma Suko who hasn't given me her load, and then I can contact her and remind her or something like that. Right. So that's the point of that roster, but it's optional. You can use it, you cannot use it, but if you don't use it, don't be afraid of this message here about the roster. So once we have our 10 out of 10, and our form 1 to 4 classes, that's why it's saying 4 out of 4 here, is done. And we have 129 periods out of 160, meaning that we have a lot of free periods, you see, as we generate, right? And then, is it ready to generate? Yes. It's saying 2 warnings. What are the 2 warnings here? Form 3 has 10 free lesson spaces out of 40. Okay, if that is not intentional, add the missing subjects loads. Right, we have entered all the loads, but it's just telling me that we're going to have some free lesson spaces. As you know, this is just a mock timetable, it's not like a full school timetable. And then form 4 has free lesson spaces as well. It has 10 out of 40 as well, right? But I am sure that I've entered all my loads. So what do? I go to the next step, generate draft, right? So what I simply do is to click on this button here, generate timetable draft. So it's now generating the timetable, and it is done. Now if I scroll down, you see that this is our timetable, and those free periods it was warning us about, they are there. Even especially form 4 with like 10 or so, we'll see them here. These are the free periods that it had, right? So in the next video, we're now going to look at this part whereby we can edit, we can download our timetable, we can publish it for other teachers to see it, all of that, right? So see you in the next video.